Man like great scientist like George Sudarshan, with his so much insightful understanding, on this same stage declares that now I am not a physicist now. I never think. अणु रेणु तृण काष्ठ के बारे में सोचना मैंने बंद कर दिया. क्यों बंद कर दिया? वो विज्ञान नहीं होता. अब भी हमारे जो विज्ञान है, भौत विज्ञान, ये अणु रेणु तृण काष्ठ की जकड़ गया है. इनसे बाहर आना चाहिए हमको. कौन बोलता है? जगत के अग्रमान्य विज्ञानी भौत विज्ञानी कहता है, मैं उन विज्ञान शाखाओं से परिचित बनना नहीं चाहता. मैं चाहता हूं प्राण विज्ञानी बनने के लिए. Now I want to become a scientist of consciousness, because the whole journey, scientific journey, must end with that awareness of consciousness. In that bioscience, I can have that passage to that culmination of scientific understanding. Even now, our modern science, physics, it is still there in that anu, renu, trana, kashtha. उनसे ऊपर उठकर आत्मविज्ञान की ओर जाना है हमें. यह संदेश कौन देता है? विश्व के अग्रमान्य अणुविज्ञानी यहां कहता है. यह सब संदेश हमको मिलना है. उपनिषद कहता है वहां 4 तरह के विज्ञान है. व्हाट इज दैट 4 तरह के विज्ञान है? संज्ञानम, आज्ञानम, विज्ञानम, प्रज्ञानम. 4 तरह के हैं. इनसे गुजर कर हमको वैज्ञानिक परिभाषा का परिज्ञान प्राप्त करना है. What is that samujnanam? It is science of articles and particles. It is not left somewhere. Our Vedic rishis, they got that wonderful understanding how to be utilized this whole wonderful world. Even great man like Shankara, he tells, Manasapi achintya rachana rupasya. This whole world full of matter, this is so beautiful. Some people, they say that Shankara Bhagavad Pada, he tells about mithya, everything ephemeral, everything temporary, illusion, hallucination. No. This is also wonderful science. Science of article particles. That is called Samujnanam in the Upanishads. Now we have to develop that. India must march forward. That is how Uttishta Bharata. Yes, our scientists are marching ahead in this article particle science. That is Samujnanam. In the same time, we have inherited that wonderful science of consciousness, which is the main gift of our great rishis. All those Uddalaka, Aruni, Bharadwaja, all great rishis, they got that wonderful insight. Though it appears to be full of articles and particles, inherently this wonderful world is mere consciousness. That consciousness only gets manifested in various forms and norms. Yes, even that mystery, utility of that mystery also must be understood by us. That particular discipline is called Samjnanam. And another discipline is called Ajnanam. It is asamanta jnanam. यानी इष्ट परिदृश्यमान विश्व के अंतर्गत स्वरूप जो चैतन्य स्वरूप है, उसके परिज्ञान प्राप्त करना विद्या के द्वारा, जिसको हम पराविद्या कहते हैं, वो है आज्ञानम. ये आज्ञान हम कैसे छोड़ दें? हम संज्ञान के पीछे दौड़ते दौड़ते, विज्ञान के पीछे दौड़ते दौड़ते अणुरेणु तृण काष्ठ में ही रुक जाएंगे? नहीं. हमारे विज्ञान का मूल तत्व है कॉन्शियसनेस, अवेयरनेस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. दैट इज हाउ उत्तिष्ठ भारत. by samujnana we are uttishtha bharata, by ajnana we are uttishtha bharata. Because now also you know that is the real gift. Vedanta is the real gift given by us. You will be very much surprised. Many people, they come to study the Upanishads in our Gurukulam, Veda Vijnana Gurukulam. They study Kathopanishad, they study Ishavasya Upanishad. You can see here many students sitting here from America, Europe, Korea. They study here Upanishad early in the morning. Get up early in the morning, 4 o'clock. Go for chanting of the Vedas. Take part in all these Vedantic discourses and discussions. This scenario, highly inspiring, you know. So, this Samvijnanam, it is Ajnanam. We are the great masters. We are the pioneers in the whole world. Where it was full of darkness, here it was that wonderful gift we could share. Etad desha prasutasya sakashat agrajanmanah. Well-known shloka to all of you, I think. Samvijnanam, Ajnanam, then Vijnanam. What is this Vijnanam? It is science of environment. Yes, how this wonderful, rich environment to be utilized for the progress and advancement and development of mankind. Yes, that science, it is called technology. That also wonderful, we have to adopt. But while adopting, we must be very much careful how this Mother Nature can be utilized without sucking her strength and her essences. That awareness of eco-balance is called Vijnanam. It is not just exploitation of this natural resource. In the name of Vijnanam, we are doing that. We are committing that blunder, that sin. ये पाप नहीं करना चाहिए हमको. विज्ञान के नाम से प्रकृति के पूरे सत्व को हम लें और स्वार्थ के लिए उसका प्रयोग करें, ये हमारे ऋषि परंपरा के लिए मान्य नहीं है, छोड़ना चाहिए. इसलिए संविज्ञान और आज्ञान के परिप्रेक्ष्य में हमको विज्ञान को बढ़ावा देना है, विज्ञान टेक्नोलॉजी को बढ़ावा देना है, लेना है आगे, किंतु प्रकृति के शोषण के बिना. दोहन जिसको हम कहते हैं. अंतिम रूप से मैं समाप्त करूंगा. संविज्ञानम, आज्ञानम, विज्ञानम, प्रज्ञानम. That science is called science of perception. We must have that real perception. Using our all sense organs and minds, we must develop that wonderful yogic power. How I can use my eye, my ear, my brain, my intelligence, my emotional faculties, all my jnanendriyas and karmendriyas, God given. How can I develop? How can I understand this wonderful world and utilize for the development? These 4 sciences are there. With this, Uttishta Bharata. That is what Vivekananda declared and gave this clarion call. हमारे विश्वविद्यालय का भी यही संदेश है. ये संदेश लेने के लिए और सारे नौजवानों को देने के लिए भारतवर्ष से आप सब आए हैं. यह अत्यंत स्वर्णमय मधुर क्षण है. आप सबके लिए अभिनंदन करते हुए मैं मेरा भाषण यहीं समाप्त करूंगा. ओम.